Today on Divas Can Cook, it is all about this old-fashioned buttermilk pie. If you like recipes like this and you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Enough talking, it's pie time. Come on, y'all. So the first thing we're going to do is add our sugar into a large bowl, throw in a little bit of flour to help thicken it all up, and a little bit of salt. We're going to whisk this all around to get it combined. And you can sift it if you want to. I probably should have, but I didn't feel like looking for my doggone sifter. I don't know what that's at. Next comes our eggs, and yes, you should not crack eggs over this bowl like this because if one is bad, then you're just out of luck. But this is the riskiest thing that I have done in my entire day, so I'm going for it, all right? Next, we're gonna add our dry ingredients into our eggs a little bit at a time, okay? Add a little bit, whisk it around, add a little bit more, whisk it around because we want this to be like really, really smooth and silky. I think I did this for like a minute or two just to like really get it. Don't break out the mixer. You don't have to, just more stuff to wash. Don't do that. Just use your little whisk here. See how nice and smooth it is? Next, we're going to add in some melted butter just like that. Go ahead and whisk it all in. And next, we're going to add in some extract. I'm adding in vanilla extract. I'm going to add in some coconut extract and a little bit of lemon extract. Y'all, those three together is so good in this pie. You can add in more or less, but yeah, those three together, bum, tickety. So once you have all those extracts mixed in, there's nothing streaky, it's looking good. Now it's time to add in my favorite ingredient in the whole world. Yes, some nice warm buttermilk. I love buttermilk. I have to learn how to make this from scratch because, yeah, I need to. Okay, so go ahead and just very carefully and slowly stir in that buttermilk. And here's my favorite pie crust. I have a video on this. Go ahead and pour that beautiful custard into your pie crust. Well, you see how smooth it is? Oh, not a lump inside, just smooth and silky. Love that. Pour it all in there. Don't leave any in the bowl. We're going to bake it 350 for about 55 minutes. When it comes out, you got to let it set. I hate this part, for like 2 to 3 hours, but it's a custard pie. It has to set up if you want that bomb diggity texture like this right here. This texture, y'all, is so firm, but yet so creamy, rich. It's sweet with a little bit of tang, just a tiny bit of a tang. It's so good. I absolutely love this pie. If you make it, let me know how you like it, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.